Hello students and welcome to my class of Integrated Marketing Communications. Before I introduce you to the topic, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Professor Priyanka Mathur Dhingra. I am a faculty member in the area of marketing. I am currently the Associate Dean of Student Activity at IBS Mumbai campus. If you see this slide, you will see two things which are very dear to me. Well, a cup of coffee without which I cannot function, and I'm holding one in my hand right now, and a pen. These two things keep me happy and doing what I enjoy most, and that is to teach. I started my career, well, long time ago, 23 years back, with the Indian Express Newspapers Limited. I moved on to Swami BVDO Advertising after that and learnt my ropes of what I teach today. I have worked in academics in a number of institutions across Delhi, Gurgaon, and now Mumbai. I have been a trainer at various institutions and places. And the areas of interest within the marketing domain are advertising, integrated marketing communications, brand management, and similar such. So all this experience, I would like to help you, with all this experience to capture the essence of the subject and build your own skills with the tools that I will be teaching you. There are a few books and publications that are credited to my name. So there is a self-learning material on marketing management, on advertising and sales promotions. I have made chapter contributions to R.K. Swami Guide to Market Planning and Urban Markets. And currently, I am a student like you and pursuing my PhD from ICFA University, Jaipur. Okay, coming over to IMC. Now, integrated marketing communications is another name or the way we would like to talk about a promotional mix. Now, what is a promotional mix? Let us go back to our previous semesters. I'm sure you all remember the marketing mix. Uh, if we were in a classroom right now, we would interact, and I would like to ask you what are the elements of the marketing mix. So, as we continue these sessions, I will organize for quick polls and question answer sessions where you would be sending me your answers on a real time basis. For now, I will answer the question myself that the marketing mix is made up of the 4 P's: product, price, place, promotions. The promotions bit gets expanded as the promotional mix and is composed of many elements like advertising, sales promotions, well, consumer promotions and trade promotions, events, publicity, public relations, direct marketing, and now the big one, which is digital marketing. So, the integrated marketing communications is when a brand deploys all of these elements of the promotional mix and creates a single message, which is given out through all these various communication mix elements. What does IMC do? What does it achieve? What is the objective? Well, it is to create and sustain demand, and that is where we get integrated with economics. All the subjects are actually very integrated and seamlessly so. So, IMC helps to create and sustain demand and preference for the product or the brand. And it, on the other hand, it also shortens your sales cycle. How does it do that? Well, that is what is the intriguing part about the subject, and you will enjoy learning about it. What else do I have for you? Well, the course that I will take you, so a quick bit of theory for you because the concept is very essential before we get into the application. So we will try to build sound theoretical and practical understanding of the promotional strategies. I will be creating assignments where you would apply all of those theories and create practical solutions. We will learn about various communication processes. We would learn about, well, the economic and creative justifications. We will do some bit about the legal and ethical aspects of communication strategies. The course very nicely has been broken into 8, 9 modules, which is keeping the essence of each activity of IMC. So after the introduction to the theories, we would be getting into each and every media, print media, online media, broadcast medias of various kinds. We will look at creativity. We will get into, debates about hard sell and creative solutions. We will see who are the poets and who are the rationalists. We will, well, as managers, you would be more in the roles of monitoring and evaluating the campaign. So we will study how do you do that. We will look at global marketing. We will look at various issues related to the marketing communications. One thing I can promise you, the lectures would be, they would be very interesting, very engrossing. I would expect a lot of communication from your end so that I know that you are, if you want some more input on certain topics, and we would be creating some really interesting exercises. And by the end of the 3 months period, when the session gets over, I'm sure that you would be happy to have opted for IMC. So, well, with this, I sign off, giving you my best wishes. You are welcome to write to me at priyanka.m.dingra@ibasindia.org or connect to me via the Learning Management System. Goodbye for now, and thank you.